it's me Courtney and welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to be doing this look. This look can be a date night look, it can be a going out with your friends look, it can be a staying at home eating chips and watching TV look. It's all in your perception. So yeah, if you are interested in how to get this look, then please continue to watch. Alright, so I'm starting with like my face base already done. I'm gonna leave everything in the description box. I didn't really want to go into depth about the base today only because I'm trying out some new products and I really don't have a full opinion on them yet. So we're gonna skip through all of that. I'm gonna be using the Game of Cones palette from Bakerie, as well as the Sassy Siennas from Dose of Colors. And I don't know if I'm gonna use the Blushing Berries palette from Dose of Colors, but we'll see. We're gonna start with this middle color right here, and this is called Foxy. I'm tapping off any of the extra, but I am getting a good amount of color on there. And I think this is about as good as we're gonna build up on the color. I'm gonna take just a regular flat brush. I'm gonna go into the color Grayscale right there. Are you gonna go on with the flat brush? No. Alright, just kidding. I'm gonna take my finger. That's a little bit better. I don't know if I mentioned it, but I always start out with my eyes primed, and I usually use whatever concealer I'm gonna use that day, and then I set it with like a regular powder. Now I'm gonna go into the Blushing Berries palette from Dose of Colors. I'm gonna take this color right here, which is Berry Pop, and I think I'm gonna just pat on the end of it right there. And we're gonna blend out the end of that. And like, it's okay if it's a little messy. I always go in later and clean up everything, but I like to put my pigment down. I'm going in with a clean brush to shear out the edges of that darker color, because I really don't want like a super deep eye. I just want like just a little bit of depth. I'm bringing it up a little bit above the crease, blending it out there. I still want you to be able to see it when my eyes are fully open. And with my eye shape, sometimes my lids tend to go inward so you don't see everything. So I like to sort of fluff it out a little bit, if that makes sense. Going back into the Sassy Siennas palette, I'm gonna use that same transition color. I'm just gonna reinforce that transition color just a little bit. Now I'm gonna take that hot pink color, Cakeless Men. We're gonna put that on the edge, right where that deep color, right where that matte color and that shimmer meet. We're gonna put that right on top of there just for a little bit of extra oomph to the eye look. And it kind of blends the two colors together a little bit more seamlessly. A lot of times in blending, you might blend away some of the color a little bit. So if you ever feel like that, you can literally just go back in and sort of reinforce your color the way that you need to, the way you feel more comfortable. Now I'm going in with the Bakerie Lollipop liner. So what I like to do for my wing is sort of tilt my head back, look down at my mirror, draw where I want my line to go, and then bring it in. That is the best my liner is going to be for right now. I'm going to go in and fix it if I need to a little bit later. So now I'm going to go back into that Berry Pop color that's in the middle. I don't want it to be sort of blown out too far underneath, so I think I'm going to go in with like just a regular pencil brush. This one's a little bit more rounded, and I'm going to keep it as close to the lash line as possible. Going back in with that thin fluffy brush I had earlier, I'm just gonna buff that out. I'm not gonna use any other color except for what was already on the brush, and I'm just gonna brush that out, going along the line of the wing liner that we did, following the bottom lash line. I am gonna buff it a little bit into this part right here, but we're gonna put another color in that inner corner as well. This is the Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow from Stila. This is in the color Sea Siren, and I'm gonna actually take this color. It's like a duochrome pink, blue, silver, gold glitter. So I'm gonna take that in my inner corner right here and drag that literally just right there where we stopped with the purple matte that we did. And then I'm gonna take that same flat brush that we had and just on that edge right there, blend a little bit to mix the powder with the liquid glitter we just put down, just a little bit. I don't want to do it too much because once the Stila shadows dry, they're pretty much set and it's like flaking glitter off. So I don't want to do it too much. I'm also going to take that same fluffy brush and do the same right there just to sort of mix the two colors right there. So it doesn't look like the Stila shadow just starts from absolutely nothing. This is the Milk Makeup Longwear Gel Liner in the color BCC. It's like a nude color. And I'm going to put that on my waterline at the bottom. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with the Endless Summer Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. This is going to be the first time I'm actually using this bronzer. So we're going to see if it actually bronzes my skin tone. Today is one of those days that I really don't feel like contouring and stuff, so I am going to use my bronzer to contour. Go in with Candy K today. I don't even remember when's the last time I actually used this. This is the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Viper. I'm just gonna go back over the line a little bit. I'm gonna take the Fenty Fussy Lip Gloss. That about does it for me. Hopefully this video was helpful. Again, I am gonna list every product that I used on my face today in the description box below. If you guys ever have any questions or requests about different videos that you might want to see, go ahead and leave that in the comments below. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share the video if the mood suits you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.